guys, it's your girl Phiraphierce and I'm coming at you in my car. So I just got back from the gym. I got off work early today, so I got my little workout in. I have an eye doctor appointment, so I'm about to get that done. I haven't had new contacts in like a year and a half, I believe, and I can't see that well, so gotta get that done. Trying to get my brows done, and I got my I got my hair cut yesterday, y'all. Something new. Don't judge, I just got back from the gym, but look at this. You see me? Edge is a little fucked up, but I love it. It's like so different for me. I feel like the color really like make this shit pop. Ooh, skin is popping. I look like cute, but at the same time, I look like a baby dyke. A cute one though. Anyway, I am supposed to be seeing Avengers tonight with some friends, and it's $5 Tuesday, so that's lit. We got the tickets like 2 weeks ago though, and we're gonna see it at 10 o'clock on a work night, school night, whatever you guys. For me, it's a work night, but so that kind of sucks. And the movie's like a 3-hour movie, so yeah. Don't spoil it, but let me know how you guys thought it was down below. By the time this is up, but I'm already gonna be able to see it, but just don't spoil it for anybody else. And I'm gonna beat my face. So I'm on my phone right now doing this like little vlog. So I'm gonna put this into the video that I'm gonna film at home when I do my makeup for later. So yeah, I just wanted to fill you guys in on what's going on, the hair and everything. So I will catch you guys later to do our makeup. So I got my brows done. A difference because I just got them cleaned up. I don't like my brows really thin. Didn't get anything done to my eyes because something about my insurance. So I have to call my insurance tomorrow and figure out what the hell is going on, because I'm not paying out of pocket if I pay for insurance. So sorry, I'm moving so much. So yeah, I gotta figure out what's up with that. But I'm about to head home, shower, make some dinner, possibly edit this vlog I have, and then do my makeup for the movies later. And that's really what this video is really for, so I could see what's up with this hair and a makeup look. I'm thinking like nice skin, a big lash, and like a poppin' ass lip. I'm thinking red. My Fenty red. Is it called Uncensored? Yeah, I'm thinking that one, but we will see. Hey y'all, so I am in my makeup room. I'm all set up to do my makeup, film for y'all, and like my freaking memory card was full. I need to buy a new one. I had to delete a whole bunch of stuff on it. I already primed my face, did my brows, primed my eyelids. So my brow routine is up. It's still current. I still use the same products. I might use the product that's in there, which is just a powder that I don't think is sold anymore by Wet n Wild. And I also use the Anastasia brow pomade when I want more booming brow. But as for moisturizer, I just hopped out the shower too. For moisturizer, I use the Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizer, and I like to use this before makeup and only when I do makeup. And I'm sure I'll probably use it when it starts to get hotter out, but as of right now, my skin is still a little more on the drier side. So I also picked up this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and it looks like that. It definitely is sticky on the skin, so I know it's gonna hold makeup very well. So I'm really excited about that. And on my nose, I just put a little bit of my One Step Makeup Forever mattifying primer, just because my nose gets super oily. And as for my eye base, I used my Louise eye base in the color Rumor 3. So everything's done. So I'm gonna start to do my makeup. I don't think I had that much. Yeah, I really only have like 30 minutes to get ready. So I'm going to speed this up, get through the makeup. Everything will be listed down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm mainly doing it because, like I said earlier, I'm gonna put the little vlog that I did earlier, because I kind of want to just see what my new haircut looks like with a nice little beat. I don't even know why I'm out of breath. That doesn't make any sense. I think it's because I'm trying to talk so fast and get a whole bunch of words out and I didn't breathe in between. I apologize. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And I know I said this in the beginning, but like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload. All right. It's free. So, do that right now. I'm not going to be nice about it, because y'all don't listen. It seems like when I'm demanding, that's when y'all subscribe. So do it. Thank you.
Yeah, baby. Drip, drip, drip. How many licks do it take till I hit that? Spot. I'm tryna get you hot till you tell me stop no more. Soon as you open the door, drop bottom close to the floor. Tonight is going down. Can you handle when I'm about to drown in it? I'm about to make my rounds in it. Let me hear you scream loud, loud. That move from the bed to the couch, never know till you try it out. Yeah, baby, yeah. Want me to rub on your booty, give you that thing like I'm Booty, nickname that thing like it's Judy. Yeah, yeah, baby. Talking and talking your ear. When you moan, I want the neighbors to hear. And you grown, you should not worry or care what they say. When I'm inside you, yeah, I'm gonna give you the best. I'm gonna relieve your stress. Kissing all on your neck. You take like a cherry on the side, and I move to your thighs. Oh, baby, I'm gonna let you ride. Just let me ride. Yeah. Sex you back to sleep, girl. Sex you back to sleep, girl. I'ma sex you back to sleep. Sex you back to sleep, girl. How many licks do it take till I hit that? Spot. I'm tryna get you hot till you tell me stop no more. Soon as you open the door, drop bottom close to the floor. Tonight is going down. Can you handle when I'm about to drown in it? I'm about to make my rounds in it. Let me hear you scream loud, loud. That move from the bed to the couch, never know till you try it out. Yeah, baby, yeah. Want me to rub on your booty, give you that thing like I'm Booty, nickname that thing like it's Judy. Yeah, yeah, baby. Talking and talking your ear. When you moan, I want the neighbors to hear. And you grown, you should not worry or care what they say. When I'm inside you, yeah, I'm gonna give you the best. I'm gonna really.
So this is the final look. I'm not feeling the lip because I'm so used to wearing nude. I think that, I mean, it's cute, but I'm not feeling it. So I'm taking it off. I'll be back with a nude lip so I can really slay. Okay, so I had to change my lip because I wasn't feeling the first one. So what I ended up doing was using Costa Riche eyeliner by MAC. Looks like this. I used Really Me matte lipstick by MAC as well. And then I used a Kylie Jenner gloss in the color Poppin. But like I said, all this stuff will be down below. Okay, whatever. But yeah, this is more me. Another view of the hair. Yes, loving it. But anyway, got a jet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
I'm gonna let you ride. Just let me ride. Yeah. Sex you back to sleep, girl. Sex you back to sleep, girl.